Welcome to another edition of Ask Snappy. I am Abhinav Girdhar, founder of Appy Pie. Today's question comes from Jake from Virginia, United States, and he asks that he wishes to create an NFT and he's trying to leverage upon the templates that we provide in our NFT generator. So his question is, if he uses one of the templates which other users are also using, then how would his NFT be a unique NFT? Yes, Jake, that's a very relevant question. As you would appreciate, we are providing at least 50 to 60 odd templates for our users to use and leverage. So if you are using one of our existing templates and converting into your own NFT, there are two ways with which we make your NFTs unique. Number one, we have a lot of rarity settings there on the right side of the panel. So you can basically decide on the rarity of each of the elements that you want to do, and that makes your artwork somewhat unique. But what makes an NFT actually a unique NFT is when it's minted on the Ethereum or the Polygon blockchain. It essentially uses your MetaMask wallet's DNA, and that DNA is imprinted onto the NFT. So what makes an NFT unique is just not the artwork, but it's a combination of your artwork and the DNA from your MetaMask, which is imprinted onto the NFT. So a combination of this, when minted on a blockchain like Ethereum and Polygon, makes that entire combination unique. If you like this edition, then do share it on social media channels like Facebook and Twitter, and do remember to subscribe to our channel.